In this video, I will show you how to fix DeepSeek AI network error. Please try again later on iPhone. So basically this error message in your screen, and I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So the first thing that you are going to check is to check if you are connected to a connection. So go to your settings and then go to your Wi-Fi settings and see if you are connected to a network. And please make sure that your Wi-Fi network is stable. And if you don't have access to a Wi-Fi network and you're connected to cellular data, then please make sure that your carrier is available in the place where you are and that you have your mobile data on. And to check if you can use DeepSeek on your cellular data, you can type in the search bar DeepSeek, and then you go to apps, and in here you search for DeepSeek again. And when you click on it, you need to be sure that cellular data is enabled for DeepSeek to be able to use it on cellular data. Otherwise, it will always give you this network error. And if it still does not work, then you can check online if there are servers down at the moment. And you can do that by status.deepseek.com. And here you can basically see every report that is being made by DeepSeek itself. And this way you know if there is an outage or something like that. And if it still does not work, then you can try to re-download the app. So delete it and then download it again. And after you've done everything, it should work. And if it does not, then it is probably a server problem or a DeepSeek internal problem. And then it will be solved in maybe 1 or 2 days because DeepSeek is being used a lot at the moment. So thank you for watching and subscribe.